How to fix Cash App not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. For that, you can launch your settings. Go ahead and click on the option of network and internet. Toggle on for the option of airplane mode for 60 seconds and then again disable it. Likewise, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget that network and give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Then heading towards next solution, press and hold on the Cash app. Click on the option of App Info. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Permissions. Grant all the permissions such as location, notification, photos, and videos. Likewise, head back. Click on the option of Storage and Cache. Click on the option of Clear Cache. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, you can uninstall the app. Click on the option of Uninstall, click on OK. Then again launch your Play Store, search for the app cache, and install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Cash App not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.